Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a form on SurveyHeart. First, navigate to the SurveyHeart website or open their mobile application. You will then choose to create a brand new form or survey. You have the flexibility to either select from many pre-designed templates or begin building your form completely from scratch. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the foundation for your data collection. Next, you will add questions to your form. SurveyHeart offers many question types, including multiple choice, short answer, and rating scales. You can easily customize each question's settings, such as making it required or adding descriptions. Organizing your questions is simple. Just drag and drop them into your desired order. This ensures your form flows logically for respondents. Now, let's focus on making your form visually appealing and functional. You can personalize its appearance by choosing from various themes and color palettes to match your brand. Additionally, configure important settings like setting a response limit or scheduling its availability. You can also set up email notifications to receive alerts for every new submission, keeping you informed. Finally, it is time to share your form and collect responses. You can easily distribute it using a direct link, embedding it on a website, or sharing it across social media platforms. As responses come in, you can monitor them in real time on your SurveyHeart dashboard. For deeper insights, export all collected data into a spreadsheet for comprehensive analysis. This completes your form creation journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.